Question 2 is about the function you need to sketch the graph, so use the calculator to stretch it. Make sure you key in the function correctly, then you'll get this graph. Make sure when you copy the graph down, you need to correct the endpoint to show that you know the range at the domain, and then copy the minimum point and all the intercept, x-intercept and y-intercept correctly. Mark down approximate these points, and then use a smooth path to connect them. Then it will look nicely, okay, because all the marking is on these points, okay. Next one, the function is defined by this, another function g, and g is obtained by f by a horizontal stretch with scale factor k, followed by a vertical translation of c unit. So compare these two functions, you see all the x becomes just 2x. Okay. So remember, when the x becomes 2x, the stretch is half. And look at the constant term, change from -4 to -7. So it's lowered by v vertically. So a vertical translation of c unit, and the c unit is a -v. Got it right? Excellent.